Hi guys, welcome to another lesson of today. Uh, I just want to, oh, I just want to do a little guitar licks for you guys. And at first, if this is the first time watching my video, I I deal with guitar tutorials. I teach licks, jazz licks, blue licks, worship licks. Okay, and I want you to click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of my video. Okay, and give a comment down below, give a thumbs up if you like the video. So for today I want to show you one basic lick George Benson normally plays. Okay, one of his lick I so much like you can add it in your jazz playing as well. You can add it in your normal soloing as well. Okay, so this is how the lick sound. Okay. Okay. So I'm playing the lick in the key of G. So you are playing in the major pentatonic shape. Okay. So the lick there is starting from your Re, which is your second note. Re mi, re mi, re mi la, re mi la, sol mi, ti la do la, mi. You now play again. Re mi la sol mi, re mo re do la do, re mo re do. Okay. That is a basic chord. Work on the chord. It will help you and it will enhance your playing as well. So if you like this video, I want you to give a thumbs up, give a comment down below, and if you've not subscribed, I want you to subscribe for more lesson, and watch out this video here. Watch out this video here for more licks. Okay, more jazz licks. All right. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.